Hi everyone and welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. It's Meg today with this Christmas design and we're going to do a 3D Christmas tree. It's cute, it's chrome and it's giving Christmas time is here. So the main character is Clover Field. It's a gorgeous green colour, perfect for Christmas tree designs and just all round a lovely green. You want to do 2 coats of this and make sure to cure it in between. And then here I've used our Clear as Day builder gel. You can use a rhinestone glue if you fancy, whatever you prefer. The Clear as Day builder gel works really well. It's very malleable. It does move a little bit, so you do need to flash cure in between, but I just like to create a nice little bead at the end of my brush, place it on with a little bit of pressure and then release the pressure as I go, and that is how it looks, which is super easy. All you're going to do is flash cure in between and then repeat this 6 times so that there are 6 branches all together, and you'll start to see the base of the Christmas tree coming together. It's looking really cute at the minute. I'm loving it. It's definitely weird in November beginning our Christmas designs, but I mean it literally is a matter of weeks away, isn't it? I can't even deal with how quick this year has gone. Anybody else feel like it's just flown? Yeah, it's not cool. Anyway, we're just finishing off our curing process here to make sure that they don't move. As you can see, the Clear as Day builder gel does wonders when you want to do any 3D swirl lines, branches, whatever you want to do with it. It's a fantastic product, very versatile. We are going to then use Cloverfield again just to go over that product, because we are using a green pigment powder which is slightly transparent, so we want that base to be super green underneath. Once you've cured that layer, take your gel top coat nail sealer, and this is perfect for the base of any chrome work that you're doing. You don't have to buff it, it just takes away that I guess that annoying step that we don't have time for when we've got clients running out the door. So I'm just popping a layer of that on. I've cured it, and now I'm going in with our emerald green pigment powder. It's gorgeous. It's perfect for, you know, chrome Christmas tree designs. So you just want to take a little sponge and just make sure to rub that in all over the nail, and make sure you get in and around and under all of the 3D sections as well. Once you've finished and you're happy with that, you're just going to give it a little dust off, like so, and that's how it should look. And then I'm going to take my number 5 little crystal palette here, I guess you'd call it, in gold, and some brush on glue, and I'm just going to stick a little star at the top of my tree. Nothing big, nothing fancy, because I'd like this nail to be beginner friendly also for a nail tech, but also very wearable for a client. So we've gone with this small little star, which is adorable, and then I've used a few of these small beads. They're like really small dots, and I've just added a couple on the branches. I was going to go extra, I was going to add tinsel, I was going to try and do like little light things on it, but I thought no, stop, because every time you do this, Megan, you make a mistake and you have to do it again. So yeah, I kept it super simple today for you all, and I think just the little gold hints on the green looks really nice. Once you've placed them down and you're happy with your placement, just cure it for 60 seconds, and that is literally it. We are going to take our non-wipe top coat at the end, and I'm just going to run that over. Try not to go over your gems if you can help it, but you may have to if you've not got a strong enough glue. So yeah, pop this top coat all over and then put it in the lamp for 60 seconds. So yeah, I think that's pretty much us done with this design now. I'm just going to be putting the top coat on and curing it, and I'll show you the end result in a minute. I honestly can't believe where the year's gone. It's crazy. Who else feels like they've literally not had a year? It's gone that quick. And before I know it, I'll be here saying Happy New Year. So yeah, crazy. But if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure to leave 2025 with a subscription to Naio. Please do click that button, and also make sure to give us a like and a comment in the comment section, because I love to see your feedback. And yeah, it just helps me out a lot when I know what you guys are wanting more of and less of. So please remember that. And if you do want to see any more of the videos from the team, then make sure to click the notification bell, because that will keep you updated, and any products are in the description box below. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next time.